everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Alexa. Today we're making mock blintzes. I measured out all my ingredients and I recommend that you do so too. You can find a full list of ingredients and measurements in the link in the description. Remember to watch the video first so you can be prepared.
To start, I'm going to cut the crusts off of my sliced bread. Afterwards, I'm going to roll it as flat as I can using my rolling pin. Try to make it even as well and still look like a rectangle. After it's flat, I'm going to spread a thin layer of cream cheese onto it. Don't make it too thin because the cream cheese will give the yummy creamy texture and flavor. Then I'm going to roll it into a tight spiral. It's okay if it breaks a little when you're rolling it. After that, I'm going to cut the ends off of it to make it even. Then I'm going to cut the rolls in half lengthwise. It doesn't need to be exact. I'm going to repeat this on all the slices of bread. Now I'm going to roll the bread rolls into my melted butter. Then I'm going to dip them into my cinnamon sugar mixture before placing them onto my baking sheet. Next, I'm going to put my mock blintzes into the oven. My oven's preheated to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. My mock blintzes took 8 to 10 minutes to bake. When they're done, they will be warm and a little crispy to the touch. Since nothing is raw, the baking process is mostly just to get them warm. Place them onto a cooling rack so they can cool enough to not burn your tongue. They're best eaten warm, but can be put in the refrigerator and eaten another day. And my mock blintzes are done and looking delicious. Please let me know what you thought of the video in the comments and how the recipe went for you. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe so you can see when new videos are added. Thank you and enjoy!